To replace the American Standard Champion 4 flush valve seal, there's an older style and a newer style. On the older style, there's a thumb screw on top of the top float. You would turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to remove it, and the top float will lift off the rod. The top float will have the seal on it, which you can pull off and push on a new one. For the newer style, there isn't a thumb screw. Pull up on the float assembly and hold the rod. Turn the top section counterclockwise to remove the top float. Slightly turn the bottom section counterclockwise and pull to separate the parts. Pull off the old seal and push on a new one. Align the tabs on the top float with the slots on the bottom section and press the bottom onto the top to lock it in place. Hold the rod and twist the top section onto the rod.